Hello students, welcome back to SBK English Academy. I am Sarana Basappa, working as English teacher in Government Adarsh Vidyalaya, Baswan Bhagavadi Taluk, Vijaypura district. In today's class, I am discussing third language English model question paper which was released by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, Bangalore. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತೃತೀಯ ಭಾಷಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ತೃತೀಯ ಭಾಷಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತೃತೀಯ ಭಾಷಾ ವಿಷಯದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ KSE ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ನಿಷ್ಕಾಳಜಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ತಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ತೃತೀಯ ಭಾಷಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ Marathi and Urdu medium students. I think you will get the full benefit of this video. Now we will start this video. First question. Srinagar is called the city of sun, the city of silk, the city of heritage, the city of silicon. Which is the right answer here? The right answer is A, the city of sun. Question number 82. In the lesson at the zoo, the bird that was having a quiet doze standing on one leg is parrot, crane, duck, stork. The right answer is stork. Next question. Chandragupta became the king of Magadha with the help of Rakshasa, Nandas, Chanakya, Chandandas. The right answer is option C, Chandandas. Next question. Faithful friend is dash to find. The correct word to be filled in the blank is hard, difficult, easy, plenty. The right answer is hard. Next question, question number 85. The river that flows into Kashmir is Sindhu, Ganga, Yamuna, Jhelum. The right answer is Jhelum. Next question. The first musician to be awarded Bharat Ratna is. The right answer is, options are Lata Mangeshkar, Semmangudi Srinivas Iyer, M.S. Subbulakshmi, Pandit Jasraj. The right answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi. Next question. In the poem A Nurse Song, the laughter of the children is heard on the hills, greens, houses, woods. The right answer is hills. Next question. Before going back to his army, Rustum gave Tahmina a ring, seal, bracelet, chain. The right answer is option B, seal. Next question. M.G. Menon was sad after returning from market because he was alone, he was sick, he was old and weak, he had lost his pouch. The right answer is option D, he has lost his pouch. Question number 90. It never comes again. Here the word it refers to youth, wealth, health, relations. The correct option is youth. Next question. One has to enter the valley of Kashmir at Jammu, Baramulla, Srinagar, Dal Lake. The right answer is Baramulla. Next question. 92. A lily of a day is fairer for in March, April, May, June. The right answer is May. 93. The poem The Prayer for Dumb Creatures is addressed to poet, humans, animals, God. The right answer is animals. Next question. The policemen arrested the fisherman at the marketplace, his house, the palace, the river bank. The right answer is the marketplace. 95. In order to find the whereabouts of Rakshasa, Chanakya hit upon a plan to imprison Nandas, Chandragupta, people, Chandandas. The correct answer is option D, Chandandas. Next question. When we lose our wealth, the faithless friend will help us, betray or leave us, stand by us, pity us. The right answer is betray or leave us. Next question. Gopi Chaldu's ambition was to play with caged birds, feed the animals, to ride on a horse, to ride on an elephant. The right answer is to ride on an elephant. Palke Award was awarded to Lata Mangeshkar for her contributions to Indian cinema, scientific field, literary field, sports. The right answer is Indian cinema. The lifespan of an oak tree is 1 day, 1 week, 1 year, 300 years. The right answer is 300 years. Next question. In the war of Turan and Persia, Saurabh saw a chance to show his bravery, meet his father, defeat Persia, earn the fame as a great warrior. The right answer is option B, meet his father. Next question. The fisherman found the ring in the belly of a calf, deep down the river, on the bank of the river, in the belly of a crab. The right answer is in the belly of a carp. In the poem, It Never Comes Again, the poet emphasizes on the beauty of in one's life. The correct answer to be filled here is youth. The nurse permits the children to play till the light fades away, the sun appears in the sky, midnight, the sheep return to the houses. Correct option is option A, the light fades away. M.S. Subbulakshmi is called the Nightingale of India. Options are light music, folk music, Hindustani music, Carnatic music. Option D, Carnatic music. Subbalakshmi is called as Nightingale in Carnatic music. Next question. Chanakya received Rakshasa with great honor, joy, hatredness, anger. The right answer is great honor. 106. According to the poet, the ones that live and die for us are wild animals, tamed animals, dumb creatures, ferocious animals. The right answer, option C, dumb creatures. Next question. Although it fall and die that night, it was the dash. Option A, plant and shine as light. B, plant and flower of light. C, plant that withers the night. D, plant that dies that night. The right answer is option B, the plant and flower of light. Question number 108. While hunting, Rustam went chasing a deer, wild boar, wolf, wild buffalo. The right answer is option C, wolf. When the king saw the ring, he remembered his father, love, friend, mother. The right answer is option B. When the king saw the ring, he remembered his father, love, friend, mother. The right answer is option B, his love. 110. In the poem Autumn Song, the poet's heart is filled with surprises, curiosity, joy, sorrow. The right answer is option D, sorrow. One word for a place where the fruit trees are grown. Orchard, garden, grove, meadow. Option A, orchard is right. Next question. Teachers teach us good manners. The underlined word is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. The right answer is teachers is common noun. Option A is correct. Next question. The word agree can be written in its opposite form by using the prefix un, im, il, dis. The right answer is disagree. Dis is option D is correct. The plural form of the word pony is P-O-N-Y-S, P-O-N-Y-S, P-O-N-I-S, P-O-N-Y-I-E-S. The right answer is option C, P-O-N-I-E-S. Ponies is correct. Next question. Sheila gave a nice speech. The passive form of the sentence is a nice speech was given by Sheila. Speech was nice given by Sheila. Sheila's speech was nice. Sheila gave speech nicely. The right passive form is option A. A nice speech was given by Sheila. Raju in his leave application to his class teacher wrote the ending as yours lovely, yours sincerely, yours obediently, yours faithfully. So option C is right, yours obediently. Next question. Ravi put all his books dash the bag. The correct preposition to be filled is in, on, into, at. The right answer is option C, into. 118. Sahil dash Soyab are brothers. The correct conjunction to be filled here is but, or, because, and. The right option is and. Option D is correct. Next question. Meera went to her grandma's house last week. The question that can be framed to get the underlined words as answer is: where did Meera go last week? Why did Meera go to her grandma's house? Who went to grandma's house? How did Meera go to grandma's house? The correct question is option A. Where did Meera go last week? The box is too heavy to lift. This sentence can be written by removing to and using so that not. Option A, the heavy box cannot be lifted. B, the box is so heavy that one cannot lift. C, the box is heavy and cannot lift. D, so heavy box cannot be lifted. So option D is correct. Dear students, so this is the model question paper which I have solved in this video. So if it is necessary, better to note down the answers in your notebook and prepare well for the examinations. So this is the third language English model question paper released by KAS EEB Board Bangalore. So I tried my level best to solve this. So please note down the answers if it is necessary to you and prepare well for the next coming examination. Please share this video to your friends, comment and also like the video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you have to subscribe for latest updates regarding third language English. Thank you for watching this video.